Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This is an after convention video, and the convention was in Sinsheim, Germany. And the focus of this video is my robotic arm, as you can see. After convention video indicates that something went wrong, and that something was not at the convention but prior to the convention with the transportation. Now, in the past it already happened that with the base of the arm, with these elements, things went wrong. Not only now with the transportation that here things went wrong, but with the fixation due to transportation also. The arm was completely sidewinded. But the main concern is to replace these elements, because these are elements that consist actually from two parts, and I want them to replace by one part elements. There are 4 of these composed elements, no, 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the other side 4 as well. And I want to replace them without deconstructing the arm. So how do I do that? Well, in my idea I can do that with a scaffold. So this is a new element, well new, this is the L-shape element that I want to put it in. And this is one of the elements of possible scaffold. So how do I do it? I'll have to figure it out. That's up next. And then maybe I can test everything again by running the ARM software. But let's see how things proceed. So let me first remove the transport security. On this side at least. Then I can see if this scaffold is high enough, and it is just a little bit short of the ideal length. It has to reach until here, and it almost does it. I'm a little bit short. Then I have the choice of the horizontal part between these two elements. This is not wide enough, and then I could do it like this, and then it is certainly high enough. But most likely even too high. So I have to find a solution for that before I even start building the scaffold. And another problematic point is I have only 2 of these lengths, so I'm afraid I need to use these kind of elements to build the scaffold, and I think that's a much better idea. So let's gather those elements and see how I can build a scaffold around it. Construction of the scaffold. Entirely replaced by, well, the aluminium parts are entirely replaced by 2 long parts and a 2-piece. They have to be connected, obviously. So the most obvious thing is put a 1-sided block and then connect it, taking another one and it has to go in here. So this one portal And the same goes obviously for the other part. So those are 2 portals, wide enough to support the whole arm. The problem is though that when that is done, they have to be supported, because otherwise they fall over and then I would go from bad to worse. So some diagonal to support it, and only if everything is in place, like, let me move the camera, like this, and everything is standing, and that will be a challenge on its own, I think, because now I find that the arm is tilting the other way and it needs to be horizontal. So in that respect I think this 2 part should be a 1 part. Interesting how things work out differently than you think. And with the computer started, things checked. Unfortunately not all checks out, but at least the arm pitch is working again, so I'm happy with that. All parts replaced, what I needed to replace, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment or suggestion. You can support via PayPal or via Ko-fi and just buy me a coffee, or you can become a member via Patreon and also via Ko-fi. More information see under this video or on my website. And thank you for the patrons mentioned on my website on the special page. This is going to be continued. Have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.